Hello friends! Welcome back to Event Celebrations. Today we explore looking for the best DIY Christmas decor ideas in 2025. From cozy crafts to elegant holiday vibes, we've got 15 plus affordable decorations that will make your home magical this season. 1. Mason jar candle holders. Transform old mason jars into glowing candle holders with glitter, ribbons, and tiny candles. They spread warm light and holiday charm, making your home look magical without costing much. Perfect for tables or windows. 2. Pinecone Ornaments. Gather pine cones, paint them with gold, silver, or white, and hang them on your tree with ribbons. They're natural, rustic, and practically free. Kids love helping with this craft too. 3rd DIY Christmas Wreath. Use green branches, ornaments, and red ribbons to make a welcoming wreath for your front door. It's festive, elegant, and a beautiful way to greet family and guests. 4. Paper snowflakes. Cut out snowflakes from plain paper and hang them on windows, walls, or the Christmas tree. They're budget-friendly, creative, and bring the magic of winter indoors instantly. 5. String light bottles. Place fairy lights inside empty glass bottles and use them as glowing decor. They create a cozy atmosphere, perfect for living rooms, dining tables, or bedrooms during the holiday season. 6. Handmade stockings. Sew fabric pieces into personalized stockings or repurpose old clothes. Add initials or names for a family touch. Hang them on the fireplace for a cozy, traditional Christmas vibe. 7. Cinnamon stick bundles. Tie cinnamon sticks with red or green ribbons and place them around the house. They smell amazing, look festive, and make your home feel warm and holiday ready instantly. 8. DIY Garland. Make garlands from popcorn, cranberries, or colorful paper shapes. They look great on walls, staircases, or around the Christmas tree. A fun, affordable project for the whole family. 9. Table centerpiece. Arrange candles, ornaments, pine cones, and greenery on a tray for a simple yet elegant table centerpiece. It's affordable, eye-catching, and perfect for family dinners or Christmas parties. 10. Painted pine branches. Spray paint pine branches in gold, silver, or white, and place them in a vase. They look chic, modern, and make great budget-friendly holiday decorations for small spaces. 11. DIY snow globes. Use small jars, fake snow, and tiny holiday figures to make your own snow globes. They're cute, easy, and kids especially love shaking them for snowy magic. 12. Fabric wrapped gifts. Skip expensive wrapping paper and use scarves, fabric scraps, or kitchen towels instead. It looks beautiful, eco-friendly, and the fabric can be reused after the holidays. 13. Wooden holiday signs. Paint festive words like joy, peace, or Merry Christmas on wooden boards. Display them on walls or mantles. Rustic, stylish, and a wonderful DIY decor idea. 14. Holiday scent jars. Fill small jars with orange slices, cloves, and cinnamon. Place them around the house to spread a cozy holiday scent. They look cute and smell wonderful. 15. DIY Advent calendar. Use small boxes, paper bags, or envelopes to create an Advent calendar filled with treats. A creative way to count down to Christmas with family. 16. Balloon Christmas tree. Arrange green balloons in a Christmas tree shape and add red ones as ornaments. A fun, colorful, and budget-friendly decor idea, especially for kids' parties. 17. Glitter candle wraps. Decorate plain candles by wrapping them with glitter paper or ribbons. Place them on your table or shelves for elegant and sparkly holiday charm at a low cost. Final note. And that's it. 15 plus affordable DIY Christmas decor ideas for 2025 to bring cozy and elegant vibes into your home. These ideas are simple, budget-friendly, and full of festive charm. Try them out, make memories with loved ones, and enjoy a magical Christmas season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more amazing celebration ideas. Merry Christmas and happy decorating!